Welcome to Project Chef. I'm Chef Barb, and today the whole Project Chef team is going to show you how to make whole wheat pizza. Who doesn't love pizza? You can make a meal for the family with simple ingredients. Today we're using whole wheat flour, all-purpose flour, the star ingredient yeast, water, salt, and olive oil. This becomes your pizza dough. To make pizza with us, go to our website after watching this video and check the recipe. Make a plan with the family for pizza night. I'm going to pass the recipe on to the next chef, and they're going to get you going on your pizza. Take it away, chef.
Thanks, Chef Barb. So we get to make the dough. That's my most favorite part of making pizza. So I'm taking about 1.5 cups of flour. I have a cup of whole wheat flour that I'm putting in here, a teaspoon of salt, and then I take my clean hand and make a clot, and then I just mix my flours together. And I may leave kind of a hole in the middle, that's called a well. Over here I have my magical yeast. It's been sitting here for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to pour that into the well. And I'm also going to pour in a tablespoon of olive oil. Now, using one clean finger, I'm going to mix this dough. I'm going to put a bit of flour onto my cutting board and then tip the whole thing over to finish kneading it. And our guest chef, Claudine, will be taking over from here to show you the kneading.
Thanks, Chef Leslie. Hi, I'm Chef Claudine, and I am so excited to have some pizza tonight. So I'm gonna just bring the dough together. It's gonna start sticking nicely. And then I'm gonna start kneading. What we're gonna do is push it out, fold it in, and turn. Push, fold, and turn. Push, fold, and turn. You can tell it's ready when it's obviously all sticking together. It's nice and smooth, and you can squish it nicely into a ball. So what you're gonna wanna do now is fold the edges over and turn, kind of like a parcel. Fold it over, put it into a nice round ball. Take some oil, put it into my bowl. I've cleaned it out a little bit. Take your dough ball, swish it around in the oil so it's all covered. And then you're just gonna wanna cover your ball with either a clean dish towel or some plastic wrap and put it aside. It's gonna rest and rise for about 1 hour or until it's doubled in size. In the meantime, we're gonna pass this over to Hero. Over to you, Hero.
Thanks, Chef Claudine. Chef Hero here. So let's get started on the pizza toppings. Now, depending on availability as well as your preference, your toppings might be different than mine. But in my pizza today, we're gonna be using some mushrooms, which we're gonna cut into pinky white strips. We also have some tomatoes going in, claw and saw. Next, we have red peppers. So cut them into a slice, just like so. Next, we have the green onion. Again, remember to claw and saw. Now, don't forget the cheeses. We got 2 different kinds of cheeses today for you. We have mozzarella cheese. Now, the mozzarella cheese we can crumble with our fingers. And we have one more cheese, Parmigiano Reggiano. So the Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, I'm going to grate into this bowl using a microplane. Now we're gonna pass this off. Catch.
Well, thank you, Hero. Chef Bonnie here. And our dough has risen beautifully. It's doubled in size. And now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna cut it up to make 6 individual pizzas. And we're gonna first make 1 cut into the middle of the dough. And then we're gonna make that into like the letter Y. So 1 more there, and 1 more at this angle, so it looks like a Y. You've got 3 triangles, and then we're gonna cut each of those triangles into a half again, making 6 balls of dough. So now we're gonna take these 3 corners of the triangles and pull them together underneath and make these lovely little rounds of dough. And once you've done that with all 6 of your pieces of dough, cover it lightly and let it sit for about 5 minutes. And then you're going to move on to rolling it out and topping. So Chef Jenny is going to show you. Take it away, Jenny.
Thank you, Chef Bonnie. I'm going to show you how to roll our doughs, how to shape them. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your little balls and then you're just going to push them down with your fingers, the tips of your fingers, and try to make them circle. We're aiming for a dessert size plate. You can use your hands or you can use a rolling pin. I like to use maybe both. So go from the middle up, middle down, turn it around, middle up, middle down, turn it around. Once you are happy with the size, you can just place it in your cooking sheet with some parchment paper, and Chef Sam's going to show you how to put the toppings on. So, Chef Sam, take it away.
Thanks, Jenny. Chef Sam here. I'm going to show you how to build and bake your pizza. First, you want to spread your tomato sauce on your pizza. Try not to get it all the way to the edges. You want to leave a little bit. Next, it's time to add your toppings. On my pizza, I like to have mushrooms, pepper. Today I've got some red and orange peppers, some fresh herbs. Today I'm using Italian parsley and some thyme, olives, spreading those out, and some spinach. Then you want to take your cheese and sprinkle it on top to glue down your vegetables. Use whatever you have in the fridge. Today I have Parmigiano Reggiano, so sprinkle that all over. And then I also have one of my favorites to have on pizza, bocconcini. When you're done, place this onto a baking tray and bake it in the oven for about 20 minutes. Here's something I prepared earlier. You'll know your pizza's done when it's brown and crispy on top and your cheese is melted and bubbly. Enjoy your pizza making!